As woodworkers, we're always looking for the best way to finish our wooden pieces, whether that be a chest of drawers, bedside cabinet, or indeed solid wood kitchen worktops. I always find that I was getting a lot of scratches because I'm a bit heavy-handed, and I was refinishing these worktops every 3-4 months just because I wanted them to look nice. Koate very kindly sent me some of this wood varnish. Now this is their extra matte, they also do matte and satin. First off, I'm going to show you how to apply this. It's a very simple process. I've also got some other pieces where we're going to test to see how durable in fact it actually is, and also I've got a couple of extra applications that may be of some use for you. I've already finished these worktops in Koate's 2-part oil impure. This varnish will also go in multi-product, which I'll show you later on. The varnish is a 2-part product and 2 coats is recommended. Only mix what you require per coat, as working time is approx 20 minutes, coverage is around 18 square metres. Make sure you pick up one of these handy orange things for opening up the thing. You need to add in 20% Part B and mix well. I used a 2 Fussy Blokes roller. This, as you'll notice as you put it on, almost leaves a bit of a milky looking appearance finish. Don't worry about this because it does dry out. Once these have been left about 5 hours, you're good to apply the second coat. Just apply it in exactly the same manner. If you do want to apply a third coat, you'll want to wait around 8 hours first. Lightly sand the surface using a red pad or P400. Then wipe over with a tack cloth just to make sure that all the dust is up and away. Then just go ahead and apply the third coat. I was using these worktops after around 24 hours, but it does take 7 days to fully harden up properly. This is where I think it gets quite interesting. This is just a normal piece of MDF and birch plywood. This is Koate's colour base, which is available in a variety of colours and also can be made in any RAL colour you want. These pieces were just prepared in the normal way to P150. Now this is applied with a scrubby pad or a microfiber cloth. It's a water-based product, so I'm just going to go ahead, apply a coat, and then we let it dry. You then apply the varnish, and the results are really going to change the way we can do things here. So these are the 2 pieces of wood you've just seen me finish with the pre-colours. They've also had the varnish on. For some reason I've lost the footage. This was applied in the same manner as previously with the 3 coats and left for a good 7 days, so we know this is fully hard. This is obviously a stone pestle. This is one of the hardest things that you're going to throw around, especially on the kitchen side. And this is one thing that definitely damaged my worktops in the past. So all I'm going to do is I'm sort of going to drop it and throw it around on these pieces of wood and see how it reacts and how it copes with such a heavy item. See that there was absolutely not one bit of damage on that, and I wasn't being, you know, pussyfooting around. I was throwing it down up and down on this piece and moving it around and scratching it. Super impressed with this, really am. Could this be the next nano coating? I don't know. This is also a bit of oak veneered MDF which has been painted nice amount. Put the varnish over the top to see if it gives an extra protective coat, and again it's actually the same as this. And the really good news, this can be used over lots of other brands of finish also. Here I've tried it over Unica, Koate, Oddies, Osmo and Rubio, so this could be really useful for those who do damage restoration type work, or indeed if you want to just do this retrospectively. Just over 3 months ago, and they have been used daily. They're hammered daily, neglected a little bit, but not one little scratch on it. This varnish has been super durable, super hard on these worktops. Overall, I've been super impressed with this product, and I will be using it more in the future on other items. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments down below. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.